Okay, so we're on this realistic 1005 handheld. So it's plugged into the roof aerial as usual, which a lot of people ask, and I repeatedly say it's an Antron 99 type fiberglass aerial mounted at gutter level on a single story building, and so it's not that high, and it doesn't have the ground plane kit, so it's very ordinary. And so if you followed this repair, the control panel had been disconnected at some time, and what wires were on it, all but one, were in the wrong place. So I've put it back together. We've sorted out the dry joint problem. He does still have a broken aerial, because as presented, that was glued in to the top, and in actual fact it's now possible to pull that fully out because it's broken, and I've released the glue because it shouldn't be glued. And if he tries to use it on its aerial, he will wreck the transmitter because the SWR will be wrong. So that does need replacing. So we'll put this on an appropriate channel like 31. So we're running on the internal microphone, and we're listening through the factory ordinary speaker. So you can plug an external mic into this, but it hasn't come with one, so we're not doing it that way. Tango 21, Mr Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, Tango 21 now recording.
Yep, roger that. Right, we'll just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
So don't be fooled into thinking this is an S meter. At the moment it's showing battery, and of course the battery is the 12 volt power supply, not 13.8, it's a 12 volt radio, so you mustn't go above 12.8. If you put batteries in the back, remember it's 10 AA rechargeables or 8 AA throwaway batteries with 2 dummy batteries, otherwise you overvolt the thing and ruin it. On transmit it's relative RF, so you can tell whether you're in high power or low power from there. We've got a flashing fluorescent light because it needs replacing.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that.
So that's the 1 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill. We'll go down in towards Wilford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that.
So that's the 2 1/4 mile point.
Mr Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford, over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a realistic TRC1005 hand portable, and the radio's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, always.
Excellent.
Right, now going over Wilford Love Crossing, over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger got you at the Kelby turn. So that's your 4 mile point. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. That's our worst one at the 5 mile point. Roger got you going over Rawsby level crossing, otherwise known as Greyleys level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. 10. Okay, well that worked fine. We'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station and see what it sounds like on its internal microphone. Tango 21 testing the customer's realistic TRC1005 handheld on its internal microphone, and that is into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.